Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a new branch on GitHub. Branching is essential for keeping your code organized and collaborating effectively on projects. First, open GitHub in your browser and log into your account. Once you're on your dashboard, navigate to the repository where you want to create a branch. Next, click on the Branches tab near the top of the repository page. This is where you can see all existing branches and manage new ones. Click the New Branch button, enter a meaningful name for your branch. It's something that reflects its purpose, like feature update or bug fix. Finally, hit Create New Branch. GitHub will take you to your new branch where you can start committing changes without affecting the main code base. And that's it. You've successfully created a new branch, making it easier to manage features and fixes independently. Keep practicing and your workflow will become much smoother. Happy coding!